folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I am at the Pioneer Stove Factory in Greencastle, Pennsylvania, and I am here to show you guys how to use your damper controls on the Pioneer Duchess cook stove. So the Duchess model is actually going to have 4 different damper controls on it, and I'm going to talk to you about those ones today. Your main damper control is going to be located here on the side of the stove. This is going to be an automatic draft control. It operates on a setting from low to high and has 5 different settings. Now this is changed from the Princess model because the temperature sensor for this automatic draft control is now actually located in the baking oven. So your damper is now going to auto adjust based on the temperature of the oven here on the Duchess model. In addition to that, you do have your damper control located here on the bottom of your ash pan. Okay, this is basically just going to be a wheel dial that spins to open to bring that combustion air in from underneath the firebox. Super important to have this thing pushed all the way to the right hand side when facing the front of the stove is going to be wide open, and pulled to the left-hand side is going to be closed. So you want it to be pushed to the right-hand side when getting the stove fired up. I should also say with your turn dial on the side of the stove, when facing the front, turning the knob all the way towards the front of the stove is going to be wide open, and turned all the way back to the rear of the stove would be closed. Now you do have 2 other controls located on the rear of the stove. Right here, just by reaching around the side, is going to be your bypass damper control. I'm just gonna slide back here so I can explain to you guys. So this, maybe you can see a little bit better here, is where it is. When this is pulled out, this is going to be wide open, and when it's pushed in is going to be closed. In addition to that, you do have a shaker handle located on the rear of the stove. I'm going to take you guys around this stove so that you can see those damper controls located in the rear. This slide damper is going to be your bypass, so you can see that opening and closing. So pulled out is going to be open, pushed is going to be closed. That also circulates the heat around the oven. It's going to be a 7-inch top vent flue here. So I hope that this overview on the Pioneer Duchess of how to use your damper controls was helpful. As always, thanks so much for watching my videos. If you haven't already, please give me that thumbs up. Don't forget to click subscribe in the corner of the channel. God bless. Have a wonderful day.